Hey, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers. And boy, do we have a showdown for you. On the left, we've got the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro, ready to make waves. And on the right, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, looking to forge ahead. Which one should you put your hard-earned cash on? Stick around to find out. First up, let's talk about the one thing that makes our wallets cry: the price. The Neptune 3 Pro comes in at a cool $249. That's right, folks, it's cheaper than your latest smartphone. Meanwhile, the Adventurer 5M will set you back $399. For that price, it better come with a free trip to the moon. Now, size does matter, especially in the 3D printing world. Neptune 3 Pro offers a printing size of 225 by 225 by 280 millimeters, which is like having your own mini skyscraper. FLASHFORGE? Well, they didn't specify the exact size, but let's just say it's big enough to print your dreams or nightmares. But hey, it's all about precision, right? Let's talk about noise. Neptune 3 Pro is quieter than your neighbor's cat at 47 to 48 decibels. You can practically print in stealth mode. And FLASHFORGE? It's got vibration compensation, which sounds fancy, but unless it's whispering sweet nothings in my ear, I'm not impressed. Extruders and nozzles are like the heart and soul of a 3D printer. Neptune 3 Pro boasts a dual-gear direct-drive extruder made of stainless steel, which sounds like it could survive a zombie apocalypse. On the other hand, the Adventurer 5M has a nozzle with a flow of 32 cubic millimeters per second and heats up in 35 seconds. That's faster than my morning coffee. But can it handle the pressure? Who knows? Filaments are like the diet of a 3D printer. Neptune 3 Pro is a foodie, munching on PLA, TPU, PETG, and even ABS. Talk about a balanced diet. FLASHFORGE is also a foodie but has a finer taste, supporting PLA, PETG, TPU, and even some carbon fiber filaments. Fancy, huh? It's like the Gordon Ramsay of 3D printers. Smart features are where things get interesting. Neptune 3 Pro has auto mesh bed leveling, smart resume printing, and dual synchronized LED screws. It sounds like it could practically run for office. FLASHFORGE counters with full auto one-click leveling and power loss recovery. It's like the superhero of 3D printers, saving your print from certain doom. Reviewers love the ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro for its reliability, ease of assembly, and high-quality prints. However, it does require some fine-tuning and calibration for optimal performance. On the other hand, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M is praised for its ease of use, precision, and automatic bed leveling. It's recommended for both beginners and experts, although some users noted minor firmware issues. So there you have it, folks. The ELEGOO Neptune 3 Pro and the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, both ready to take your 3D printing game to the next level. Which one will you choose? The budget-friendly Neptune or the feature-packed Adventurer? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more smart buying tips from Buy Smart. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Product links are in the description.